In this video, we will discuss the 5 Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 screen protectors. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. HORI Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Screen Protector. The HORI screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G is a revelation. Its installation process, often a dreaded ordeal for many, is transformed into a simple task thanks to the ingeniously designed mounting frame. The protector itself is a marvel of modern material science. Its self-healing properties are nothing short of magical, effortlessly vanishing minor scratches and bubbles. Yet, it doesn't compromise on the essentials. The screen remains vividly clear, highly responsive, and feels just like the original. The inclusion of a tempered glass protector for the outer screen is an added layer of confidence. Meticulous attention has been paid to every detail, resulting in a product that not only safeguards your device but enhances your overall user experience. If you own a Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G and prioritize both protection and aesthetics, the HORI screen protector is an absolute must-have. Number 2. Imbzbk Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Screen Protector. The Imbzbk screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G presents a comprehensive protection package. Its standout feature is the innovative TPU material, engineered to endure the relentless folding and unfolding of the device without compromising screen integrity. Including a self-healing layer is a practical touch, gradually eliminating minor scratches and bubbles. Furthermore, the tempered glass protectors for both the main screen and camera lenses provide a robust defense against accidental drops and scratches. A notable aspect is the product's commitment to maintaining the original screen clarity and responsiveness. Coupled with the assurance of dependable customer support, the Imbzbk screen protector positions itself as a reliable choice for safeguarding the Galaxy Z Fold 6 5G. Number 3. AACL Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Screen Protector. The AACL screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers comprehensive protection for both the main screen and camera lenses. Crafted from robust 9H tempered glass, it shields your device from scratches and daily wear and tear. While the front screen protector doesn't cover the entire display to accommodate various cases, it ensures a secure fit. Thanks to the included alignment frame, installation is a breeze, guiding you to a bubble-free application. The protector maintains the screen's original clarity and responsiveness, delivering a seamless user experience. With multiple protectors included, you're well equipped to safeguard your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Number 4. TQLGY Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Screen Protector. The TQLGY screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers a comprehensive protection solution. The flexible TPU material on the inner screen is impressively durable, featuring self-healing properties to minimize scratches and blemishes. Its resistance to folding is a significant advantage, ensuring long-lasting performance. The included tempered glass for the front screen and camera lenses provides an added layer of security. While the screen protector doesn't cover the entire display due to the phone's curved edges, it maintains clarity and offers compatibility with most cases. Overall, TQLGY delivers a reliable product that effectively safeguards your Galaxy Z Fold 6. Number 5. Wsken Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Screen Protector. The Wsken screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers a compelling blend of protection and visual clarity. Its ultra-thin profile preserves the phone's sleek aesthetic without compromising durability. The high-definition film ensures vibrant colors and sharp details remain uncompromised, providing an immersive viewing experience. A standout feature is the screen's resilience to the constant folding and unfolding the device endures, a testament to the protector's robust construction. Its self-healing capabilities mitigate the appearance of minor scratches, extending the screen's pristine look. Both the inner flexible film and outer tempered glass layers contribute to its overall defense against daily wear and tear. While the protector's effectiveness in preventing screen breakage from severe drops remains to be fully tested, its combination of clarity, durability, and self-healing properties make it a strong contender for Galaxy Z Fold 6 owners seeking reliable screen protection.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.